Welcome back to Shift Path, where we bring you the latest and most detailed reviews of cars that matter. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting launches for Mercedes-Benz, the all-new GLC 404 MATIC with EQ technology. This is not just an upgrade, it's the beginning of a new era for the GLC lineup. At first glance, the new GLC 404 MATIC looks every bit like a modern Mercedes SUV, but with a bold new identity. The redesigned front grille immediately grabs attention. It's no longer just a piece of chrome, it's illuminated, making the car look futuristic and prestigious even at night. From the front view, the slim LED headlights, paired with the sculpted hood, give it a sharp and confident character. Move to the side profile and you'll notice pronounced wheel arches, a flowing roofline, and elegant shoulder lines that emphasize both luxury and athleticism. The rear design continues this theme, with sleek taillights connected by a thin light bar, plus a clean bumper design that highlights the electric-first philosophy. And when you see it in track view or motion, the car looks planted and agile, something that's hard to achieve in a mid-size SUV. Step inside the GLC 400, and the first thing you'll notice is the breathtaking 99.3 centimeters MBUX Hyperscreen. This is the largest screen ever fitted in a Mercedes-Benz, stretching across the dashboard and creating a fully digital immersive experience. The interior space is better than ever. Thanks to a longer wheelbase, there's more legroom and headroom for both front and rear passengers. The panoramic sky control roof enhances the sense of openness, and at night it can even display 162 illuminated stars across the glass, giving you a literal starry sky experience inside your car. Mercedes also offers a vegan package, which means every soft-touch surface from seats to headliner can be made from premium vegan-certified materials. It's luxury with a conscience, and Mercedes is the first automaker to get this certification from the Vegan Society. Under the hood, or more accurately, under the floor, sits a highly advanced electric powertrain. The GLC 404 MATIC delivers up to 360 kilowatts, 482 horsepower, with an impressive range of up to 713 kilometers WLTP. That means long-distance drives with fewer charging stops. It's not just about numbers, though. The car comes with intelligent air suspension and rear axle steering up to 4.5 degrees, making it incredibly agile in city driving and stable at highway speeds. On rough roads, the terrain mode and the innovative transparent bonnet view let you virtually see beneath the car, which makes light off-roading or tricky parking much easier. When it comes to towing, the GLC doesn't hold back. With a 2.4-ton capacity, you can haul a boat, caravan, or trailer without worry. It's versatility at its finest. One of the biggest highlights of the new GLC is the introduction of MBUX, Mercedes' new AI-driven operating system. Think of it as the car's superbrain. It controls everything from infotainment and driver assistance to charging and comfort settings. The AI learns your preferences, adapts to your habits, and even makes decisions in real time for safety and efficiency. For example, it can recommend routes, adjust seat and climate settings, or even help find charging stations automatically. Over-the-air updates keep the system fresh for years, while integration with Google and Microsoft AI tools allows natural conversations with the MBUX virtual assistant. Talking to your car is now as natural as talking to a friend. Range anxiety? Forget it. The GLC uses an 800-volt battery system, which allows ultra-fast charging. In just 10 minutes, you can recharge up to 303 kilometers of range. That's one of the fastest charging rates in its class. The MB Charge service also allows you to reserve charging stations ahead of time, a feature no other automaker currently offers. On top of that, the GLC supports bidirectional charging, meaning it can supply power back to your home or even to the grid. Mercedes has always been a leader in safety, and the GLC 400 is no exception. Equipped with up to 10 cameras, 5 radar sensors, and 12 ultrasonic sensors, the car continuously monitors its surroundings. The MB drive system uses all this data to assist with steering, braking, and acceleration in a way that feels natural and supportive. With features like trailer maneuvering assist, ESP stabilization, and advanced collision avoidance, the GLC ensures maximum safety for every passenger. Mercedes goes beyond just driving with its energizing comfort programs. Whether you want a relaxing massage, mood lighting, or soothing sounds, the GLC creates a wellness experience on the go. The multi-source heat pump also ensures cabin warmth in winter without draining the battery heavily. The new AGR-certified seats guarantee back support and comfort during long trips, while the redesigned steering wheel makes controls intuitive and responsive. The GLC features the latest digital light system with micro LEDs. This technology provides ultra-bright illumination while consuming 50% less energy than before. It can even project symbols or warnings directly onto the road, making night driving safer and smarter. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLC 404 MATIC with EQ technology is more than just an SUV. It's a perfect mix of luxury, innovation, performance, and sustainability. From the starry panoramic roof to the cutting-edge MBUX, it sets new standards in the mid-size luxury SUV segment. If you're looking for a vehicle that combines everyday practicality with futuristic features and long-distance capability, this GLC deserves a top spot on your list. Thanks for watching Shift Path. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth car reviews.